Que não vai? Ahora. You've turned me from darkness and showed me the darkness of rise. Tears of forever, the song will be you. Yeah. I'm living in freedom. You've taken the burdens away. Jesus forever. Somebody only for you. What else that you pour that you paid it to you? No one ever did at the grave. This is the reason I sing, for the hope that you give, for the joy that you bring, for the promise that heaven is waiting for me. This is the reason I sing, oh, oh, oh. I will not be silent. I will testify your grace. Jesus forever, the song will be you, only for you. Oh, for the cross that you bore, and the death that you paid, for the victory you won over death and the grave. This is the reason I sing, for the hope that you give, for the joy that you wait. The promise that heaven is waiting for me. Wow, it's a minute, it's a minute. Nothing. So good, so good, so good to me. It's good to me, whatever I seek. So good to me. It's so good, so good, it's so good to me. Forever nothing, so good to me. The price that you bore, that you paid to the victory you won and the death and the grave. It's the reason I say, for the hope that you give, to the joy that you bring, for the promise that heaven is waiting for me. What is the reason I sing? For the loss that you poured, the debt that you paid, for the victory you won, the death in your grave. The reason I sing, for the hope that you give, for the joy that you bring, for the promise that heaven is waiting for me. With is the reason I sing. Jesus, the reason I sing. This is the song from Phil Wickman, Reason I Sing. Sarkarajadi Biabukai.